1793 on the N25. The engine sounds like it's sick. Listen to this engine. Listen. That's what no maintenance gets you with Nice Bus. Yeah, listen to this. This is the same noise I'm used to every time I hear this engine. Yeah, every time they let these Orion 7 Next Gens rot to the ground. And another thing, when we got to Long Island, when the bus pulled up at Long Island Jewish, the driver couldn't even lower the bus. So this suspension is already lowered to the ground. Yep, trash, which again, I don't complain because remember, this isn't the MTA, so I can't complain to New York City Transit. 7-Eleven cup. Yep. So this engine just sounds terrible. But listen to it. And you all know who this is brought to you by. Pathetic excuse known as Nassau County. Yep. That's right. That's who this is brought to you by. And again, Laura Kern's just letting this misery happen. Meanwhile, the good news is I can happily report that the driver safety class is up. That's decent news. Other decent news is at least the ABL is working. Other than that, this engine's probably going to give up. I have a theory why the engine's going to give up. The heat. Barely any heat. The driver probably has the heat on, and the issue is because the heat can't produce enough. The issue is, without the vent, you're looking at an issue where, all hell breaks loose. Quickly, want to show you the Royal Farms. Just opened about a month ago. Yeah, it opened back in early November. Can't really see the house that well, but me and my dad were here a couple weeks ago. And let me tell you, it's very modern. Oop. Got an epic fail, folks. What else is new? Graffiti. Graffiti. What else is new? As I said, as long as I'm riding Nice Bus and I see these things, I'm going to keep reporting on it because remember, Hyde Power LI can't do what he used to do anymore. So I have to be the voice of Nice Bus. And believe me, we're going to talk about more of these issues with Nice in the new year. We are going to discuss it on this channel because there's going to be a lot more Long Island Railroad videos I am doing in the new year. See, over here, you can notice that the engine just sounds like, it's just rotting. Can you blame them? No, you really can't. Look, more trash. As I said, every time I ride a Nice Bus, it's going to be no more rants or anything like I used to do. Because again, in order to show you what's going on with Nice Bus, it has to be done professionally. So that's what we're doing henceforth. Let's listen to this noise one more time. Look at the stuck back there, my goodness. Yep, there goes another pathetic Nice Bus. Yep. It has to stop at all railroad crossings. It's by law, they have to, otherwise Otherwise, they get in big trouble. Big trouble. Oh boy, I think that was an undercover Nassau County police officer. Oh yeah. Just want to mention again, that's what you get with Nice Bus. You get garbage. As long as I'm around, the fight continues, no matter what. And again, I'll mention Long Island Bus on occasion, but till then, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching.